Hello, a very good morning. We, group of four, want to present about the project demonstration for the 2D development. So our group name is 4 Second. So I'm here, Tanawas again, like you and my teammate Marina, Adila, and Ishima. So I will proceed to the demonstration of our game. So our game name is Nakoda Latte. So I'm here to go through all the scene that we create in the Gdevelop. So as you can see, there is a 14 scene that we created for this game, Nakoda Latte. So there is a two dialogue text that make the storyline more strong. So now I will run the game. So you can see the UI in the main menu. So we have mula, cara main, tetapan and keluar. So this is the cara main. So this is some game rule that player can understand before they play game. And second button is for the setting tetapan, so we can adjust the music and the sound system. So this we did the sound system, so player can adjust the volume. So now I will straight go to the start game. So first of all we will go through by the dialogue scene that we created. So here the storyline with the dialogue text. So now we play the game for the level 1. So we can see there is a 3 function. There is a life and the matakail, the hook that we collation with the hook. So it will increase. So each hook is probably 10 value. So and there is a time also at the top. So player must make before the time countdown finish. Okay, same goes to the level 2. So level 2, of course there is a difficulty increase. So as difficulty increase, we also can see the time also increase. So it will reasonable to player with the difficulty of the game. And also we can see there is a new enemy uh, from the previous level. So we have increased the enemy also and the type of enemy also. So this is the level screen for the next level, the final level, the third level. So now we proceed to the third level. So the third level also same with second level. The design of the level progression is changed a bit, and the difficulty also increased, and the time countdown also increased to make the player reasonable and equality to win the objective of the game. So we also add some movement tiles. There is two movement tiles, which is horizontal and vertical. So at each level you can see there is a moon icon. So the moon icon representative of the storyline. So we go to the book. The storyline state Nakoda Latte have requirement to buy the kampung to suit. So the requirement is you need to collect all the mata kait before the full moon. So each level there is a phases of the moon. There is a many sound system that we added to the character and each of scene. So when the player collision with each object or making action such as jump, walk and climb, so we make it a sound that make the game more realistic. So for the end of the level, after the level, we navigate to the dialogue text, same like before for the introduction scene. So this is the end scene. The end scene is more to the storyline that from the book. So for the end of the level, so we make it the storyline same goes the ending of the book. So that's all the end for our game Nakoda Latte demo.
Hi everyone, I'm Rinalini, daughter of Selvarajan. So today I will be answering the first question, which is what are the different or special in your game as compared with any other similar game in the market? So the first one which is different and special in our game, it is the character. A character with strong storyline inspired by the book. So this is the book. So let us see the book first. It's about Nakoda Latte diceritakan semula Zakia A. Rahim, pelukis Nabila Hassana Muhammad Nazaruddin. This is the Cerita Rakyat Negeri Terengganu Nakoda Latte, which this book tells the story of a rich and famous ship captain named Nakoda Latte. At one point, Captain Latte wanted to buy the K Mapong Tuk Sut to be used as a port. However, Tuk Sut imposes conditions. So let us see how does Nakoda Latte meet the requirements. The next special thing in our game is the visual style. The visual style and design of our game can make it visually distinct. Some games in the market will be only unique and only realistic, but our game will be unique aesthetic, realistic, where we have created a memorable and visually appealing experience. We designed the character based on our story as in the Nakoda Latte book. So the character exactly will look like the Nakoda Latte. So here you can see how we have designed the character, and this is the character which is the Nakoda Latte. You can see the character design and the colors. The third special thing in our game, which is the gameplay mechanics. Our gameplay mechanics can set a game apart from other games in the market. Example, in our game we have unique and innovative mechanics that can provide a fresh experience and keep players engaged. In our game we have 3 lives and Matakail. For example, you can see the picture given. This is the life and this is the Matakail. When player collects the love, the life will increase, and as the player collects the Matakail, it will also increase. Next, the given time in each level will be very sensible for each level of difficulties.
Storytelling and narrative. Our game have dialogue system where this can greatly enhance the player's experience. A compelling and well-crafted story can make a game stand out. Music make a game more realistic, create a unique atmosphere when the player are playing the game.
The second question is, what is the moral that I include in the game to teach the player that play our game? So the first moral value is keep moving forward. Example, in the game, whenever obstacles come in the game, we need to jump over them, or sometimes we need to kill them. When have appropriate powers with you, then try our best to deal with these obstacles. So similar in the life, face this challenge in your journey of life and keep moving forward fearlessly. Do not look back because the past no longer exists. The second one is when you fail, you try again and try again. So in the game, we can see the long-lasting entertainment of game, which ensure the possibility that failure is not the end of the game. You can repeat to play the game until you win. It's same to the life, it's like that only. You will fail quite sometime in life. What important is how you get back on track after failure in life.